नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, शीतल कुमार भोंग केमिस्ट्री या युट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. मी प्राध्यापक शीतल कुमार स्वपनराव भोंग, मेंबर ऑफ बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज बालभारती पुणे, सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट महाराष्ट्र राज्य माध्यमिक उच्च माध्यमिक शिक्षण मंडळ पुणे. याच्या अगोदरच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण चॅप्टर नंबर 1 टू चॅप्टर नंबर 8 पर्यंतचे जे प्रश्न बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेला विचारले जाऊ शकतात त्याचा सराव बघितलेला आहे. तर आज आपण चॅप्टर नंबर 9 आणि चॅप्टर नंबर 10 दॅट इज कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड्स अँड हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज या चॅप्टरवरचे प्रश्न बघणार आहोत. सो फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस chapter number 9 coordination compounds. Its weightage is 5 marks with option 7. First question is given, define ligand. This question can be asked for 1 mark. Write one example of each bidentate ligand, hexadentate ligand and ambidentate ligand. So if you observe carefully the question paper of February 2024, in this question paper the question is asked, write one example of hexadentate ligand. So in the next examination, examiner can ask like this question, write the example of bidentate ligand or ambidentate ligand. So prepare very well. Then question number 2, write the coordination number of the complexes. One complex is given here, Fe, oxalate ion is given, thrice 3 minus, and this is a cobalt ethylene diamine 3 times, thrice 3 plus. So this coordination number of this complex is asked for board examination in February 2024 paper. So this coordination number, this can be asked for the VSA question, remember very well. Then next question number 3, write the name and molecular formula of one example of double salt. Then question number 4, write 4 postulates of Werner theory of coordination compound. This question is also asked for February 2024 paper for 2 marks. Here 4 postulates, each postulate having the half mark weightage. Explain the terms homoleptic complexes. This can be asked for 1 mark. Heteroleptic complexes can be asked for 1 mark. And if both the terms will be asked, it will be for 2 marks. Write the classification of coordination complexes on the basis of charge on the complex. So there are 3 complexes, cationic complex, anionic complex, and neutron complex. This question can be asked for 3 marks. Then question number 7, write the IUPAC name of the following complexes. Here, for example, some complexes are given. So many times this question is asked for the VSA or MCQ. They will give the complex and names will be given. We have to identify the correct name. This second one is asked for February 2024 paper. So these complexes are given. I'm not in explain in detail because these complexes you can write in your notebook and prepare accordingly. State EAN rule. This question, I think it is asked for the examination. Calculation of EAN is asked in February 2024 paper. So prepare this question very well. State effective atomic number rule. Write the formula to calculate EAN. So if this is combinedly asked, it may be asked for 2 marks. And if it is asked only the EAN rule, it will be for 1 mark. And the formula will be for 1 mark. What is EAN? The definition is asked here in question number 9. Calculate EAN of the complex. 2 complexes are given, for example. So prepare very well. Then question number 10. Define distereomers. Write the structures of cis and trans isomers of the complex. This question is also asked for the February 2024 paper. Write the structure of cis and trans isomers. One complex they will give, and they will ask write the structures of cis and trans. I think this definition is asked in July 2023 paper. Define distereoisomers. So all these questions are very important for the examination point of view. Prepare well, make a practice, write, revise. Question number 11, explain the following terms. Number 1 is given linkage isomers, ionization isomers. Number 3 is coordination isomers, and number 4 hydride isomers. So prepare all these terms with example. Then question number 12, explain the formation of following complexes according to the VBT. This question is very, very, very important for the board examination because each And every question paper contains this type of question. The complexes are given here. I'm not uh, reading the complexes because prepare according to these complexes. All these examples are given in your textbook. Then number 13, write the name of the platinum complex. This is VSC, which is used in the treatment of cancer. The answer is cisplatin. This is also asked for the board examination. Write the name of the complex which is used for the treatment of lead poisoning. So this can be asked for the VSA. Write the name of the element by which the hemoglobin complex is formed. So such type of VSAs will be asked from this coordination chemistry. Prepare very well. Then I'm coming to the organic chemistry started from chapter number 10, halogen derivatives. This is the first chapter. It is having the weightage 5 marks and with option 7 marks. So the first question is given, write the structure of one example of allylic halide. So on these are the in the introduction, after the introduction part, the types of halogen derivatives in this allylic halide, vinylic halide, and all these benzylic halides are given. So prepare very well with one example. Second one is also based on the example of vinylic halide. Number 3, write the following chemical reactions. Reactions are given: action of red phosphorus and bromine on ethyl alcohol. Then second one, ethyl alcohol and mixture of NaBr and H2SO4. Then next question number 4, write the preparation of ethyl chloride by using Gru's process. Number 5, write Swartz reaction with an example. Number 6, explain the optical activity of 2-chlorobutane. This can be asked for 2 marks or 3 marks. Swart reaction, if it is asked, we have to write the reaction and its explanation also for 2 marks. If it is asked for 1 mark, only write the reaction. According to the question, we have to write the answers. If only write the chemical reaction, it is asked, we have to write the reaction only. It is not expected to, but generally it is better to write the explanation in short. Number 7, define A optical activity in enantiomorphs, racemic mixture, chiral carbon. So prepare all these definitions carefully. Question number 8, write the following chemical reactions. Many reactions are given here. Ethyl chloride with aqueous caustic potash. Caustic potash means here KOH. Remember this name. This name is used for the board examination instead of KOH, potassium hydroxide. Then number 2, ethyl bromide with sodium methoxide. Number 3, methyl iodide with silver acetate, ethyl chloride with potassium nitrite, ethyl bromide with silver nitrite, thionyl chloride, SOCl2 with straight chain primary alcohols. General reaction is asked. Then propene with hydrogen bromide in presence of peroxide. This is according to the anti-Markovnikov addition because peroxide is given. Number 9, write salient features of SN2 mechanism. Here 4 points are expected. Write salient features of SN1 mechanism. Here also 4 points are expected. So this question may be asked for 2 marks. Salient feature of SN2 and SN1 reaction. Then question number 11 is define dehydrohalogenation reaction. This is for 1 mark. Write the dehydrohalogenation uh, reaction of 2-bromobutane. This is the 2 marks plus 1 mark. 3 marks question it can be asked for the examination. 2-bromobutane with uh, alcoholic KOH. Actually, this should be dehydrogenation. No, dehydrohalogenation word should be there. By mistake, I have written dehydrogenation only. It should be dehydrohalogenation with alcoholic KOH. Always we have to remember here alcoholic KOH it is used for the elimination reaction and aqueous KOH is used for the substitution reaction. Mention the major and minor products. These we will identify according to the Set-Zep's rule, major and minor. That is the double bonded maximum number of alkyl groups which are attached to the doubly bonded carbon. That will be the major and minor product will be less number of alkyl halides are alkyl groups are attached to the doubly bonded carbon. So already we prepared the video on the Set-Zep's rule. Then question number 12 is what is Grignard reagent? This is very important question. Many times it is asked for the board examination. How it is prepared? Write the chemical reaction. So we have to write the chemical reaction of preparation of Grignard reagent. First, we have to explain what is Grignard reagent, then write the preparation with chemical reaction. Don't only write the theory. We have to write the reaction also. Then number 13, write the chemical reaction of methyl magnesium iodide with ammonia. This is the Grignard reaction with ammonia. Then write the name of the hydrocarbon prepared when ethyl magnesium bromide reacts with methanol in presence of dry ether. This is also the reaction of Grignard reagent with alcohol. There are three reactions given in your textbook with water, with ammonia, and with alcohol. Then number 15, write the chemical reaction when bromobenzene and methyl bromide reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. So this is the bromobenzene and methyl bromide. This is the Words fatigue reaction. Write the structure of the product formed when chlorobenzene reacts with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. This is as for the board examination. This is a fatigue reaction. Biphenyl is the product form. Write the chemical reaction when chlorobenzene reacts with fuming sulfuric acid. This is a sulfonation reaction. Then what is the action of nitrating mixture on chlorobenzene? This is nitration reaction. Write the chemical reaction. 19, question number 19, write the uses and environmental effects of dichloromethane and chlorofluorocarbons, freons. Here, I have to add, prepare all the examples which are given in the textbook, dichloromethane, freons, and all the examples which are given in the textbook. Then question number 20, definitions are given, define dextrorotatory compounds and levorotatory compounds. 21, write the chemical reaction of chlorobenzene with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. This is a Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation reaction, remember. Write chemical reaction when propene reacts with hydrogen chloride, gives product A. This is hydrogen chloride, and propene means this is according to the Markovnikov's rule, and A further reacts with the alcoholic. See here, alcoholic solution of potassium cyanide given means again the chloride will be replaced with cyanide and it gives products B. And the question number 23 is given, write the structure and full form of DDT. Write a full form of DDT. It is repeated 2 times. If it is asked full form and structure, it may be asked for 2 marks. So this is about the chapter number 9 and 10. In the next video, we will discuss this next chapters, chapter number 11 and chapter number 12. Thank you. So once again, uh, if you didn't subscribe the channel, subscribe it, comment on the videos, also share with your friends, relatives, and with your colleagues. Thank you very much.